Hi guys! Welcome back to another food and lifestyle adventure. For today's vlog, I'm bringing you to a newly opened cafe here in the heart of Talisay City, Cebu, and I'm so excited to finally share this place with all of you. This is 8 Cafe, the newest go-to spot for coffee lovers, foodies, and everyone looking for a cozy place to relax, work, or spend quality time with family and friends. Actually, this is already our 5th time dining here and yesterday our 6th time to celebrate Father's Day with the family. And every time we visit here guys, we always enjoy the food, the coffee, and the peaceful vibe of this place. That is why finally I decided to make a vlog for this one because I want more people to discover this beautiful cafe and support our local businesses here in our community. Pag abot pa lang nimo sa 8 Cafe guys, you'll immediately feel the relaxing and aesthetic atmosphere. The place is very Instagram worthy. Every corner is beautifully designed, perfect for taking photos, creating content, or simply enjoying your quiet coffee moments. One thing we love about 8 Cafe guys is that it's truly an all-in-one cafe. Dili na jud ka kinahanglan mangita pa og lain because they offer a wide variety of coffee, delicious pastries, and different food choices that you can enjoy any time of the day. Whether you're craving for your favorite coffee drink, a sweet treat, or a satisfying meal, they have something for everyone. And of course, I'm excited to share with you the food and drinks that we ordered yesterday. We have special lomi, sweet and sour fish, calamaris, crispy fried chicken, yung gravy, and 8 grilled ribs. And syempre, among favorite nga clubhouse sandwich and iced tea pitcher. You can try them here guys any time of the day. Everything looks so good and the best part is enjoying these delicious treats while surrounded by this relaxing ambience. Celebrating Father's Day made this place even more special for us. Sometimes, the best memories are created not only from big celebrations, but from simple moments, like sharing good food, drinking coffee together, laughing, and spending time with family. That's why I wanted to share 8 Cafe with you guys because places like this deserve to be discovered and supported.
Good.
So mga ka-vlog, if you're from Talisay or nearby areas, make sure to visit 8 Cafe. Bring your family, invite your friends, enjoy a coffee date, have your solo chill session, or simply spend a relaxing day here. Support local businesses and discover amazing places within our community. You can find 8 Cafe located at Rabaya Street, Talisay City, Cebu. They are open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Don't forget to try their coffee guys and delicious food. Definitely a must-visit cafe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more food trips, travel adventures, and local discoveries. See you in my next vlog. Bye!